Now dear students, in this video we will learn our first method of manipulating the string. So today we are going to study method 1 for manipulating strings. So for that, first of all let's write a string with the name like, and for this like array to be a string we need to give it a data type of character, and let's declare this string, initialize this character array like I say over here, I like coffee and cake. So at the end I will write semicolon. Let's just save our project. After that let's see if I print on serial monitor what will happen. Let's print like, let's save, and let's print on the serial monitor. So you can see that I like coffee and cake is now printed on the serial monitor. The same it's the same, the words are the same as I have declared in my like array, in the like string. So let's say if I want that, I don't want to print this entire, as you know that at the end of string there is a null character. What if I replace the some space or some letter with the null character? Then what will happen? The serial.println function will encounter the first null character and it will only print that amount of the array where it have encountered the first null character. For that let's write like and add the index number 13. Let's add a null character, let's give it a 0. Now let's just print this array, the string again, and let's see what happens. Let's run the simulation. You can see that we have printed I like coffee and cake as it is, as we have entered at the index number 13 a null character. So when we print again the like array, the like string, it has just printed till the the print line function has encountered the first null character. Only the string at that place is printed on the serial monitor. So let's say let's just stop the simulation and let's give at the index number 13 index 13, at that let's add a space. If I added a space, then I have removed this null character from that string. After adding the space, I just want to change the word cake to T. For that I can do like this. The word C of cake is at index number 18, and let's change it with the help of T. And after that I am going to replace the word at index 19 to E. Similarly in the string at index 20 I am going to write A, and after that we will add a null terminator, so that serial monitor should print the serial.println should know that I have to print the this string till the null character, till that it encounters a null character. So I have modified the cake to T and have added a null character at the end. So let's print print this like string again, and let's see what this will generate the output. So let's run the simulation again, and now you can see that I have changed I like coffee and I have missing ND, because and D there is a difference in the indexing. That is why I have missing like ND, and I have also rather than on the C. So let's just check this. I is on 0 and space on one index, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and I am going to 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then at 12 we are going to add a null character, and after that we are going to space, and then this will be at 17, at 18, at 19, and this will be at 20. So let's save. Hopefully I have found the bug and this would have resolved our observation. Yes, it's now resolved. Actually there was a mistake while writing the index of the letters in that string. So over here you can see that this is our I like coffee and cake, the same string we have just declared, and then we have added a null character at the 12th index. So the null character we have added over here. So next time we printed that string, the serial.println have just printed at the very first encounter of the null character, and after that we have changed the null character to a space again, and have changed the word cake to T by changing each letter on that particular index, and at the end have added again a null index and have printed this string again. So this in this way we can change the string, and this approach of changing the string is called actually the or the manipulating of the string is called the manual approach. So this is a manual approach. In the coming videos we will be using the functions of the C language and the provided by the Arduino library for manipulating the string. So hopefully you have understood that how we can manually change the string, how we can command the serial.print function to print the string at a certain length of the string.